5 animals that are forbidden to kill in Islam. Please share to 5 friends to spread the sunnah. First of all, ant. Killing ants is discouraged unless they pose a harm. Number 2, bees. Bees play a significant role in nature, and therefore killing them too is also discouraged. Number 3, hoopoes. That's hudhud, known as the bird that communicated with Prophet Sulaiman. That's Solomon. Number 4, sparrowhawks. These birds are protected and shouldn't be killed without a valid reason. Finally, frogs. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, forbade killing frog due to their unique role in nature and their consistent